if you have fibroids and they keep growing, you need to hear this. You might be trying so hard to do the right things, but some daily habits could be making it harder for your body to heal. And number three is something so many women do without even realizing. After my own fibroid journey and supporting so many women, these are 5 things I want you to pay attention to. Number one, ignoring your gut health. Your gut is connected to your hormones. If you are always bloated, constipated, or struggling with digestion, your body may find it harder to clear excess hormones. Your gut matters. Number two, eating too many inflammatory foods. Your body needs the right environment to heal. Too many processed foods, high sugar foods, and poor quality oils can increase inflammation in the body. Start adding more colorful whole foods. Number three, living in constant stress. This is the big one. So many women are eating healthier, but their body is still stuck in stress mode. Poor sleep, rushing all day, and never resting can affect your hormones. Your body needs to feel safe to heal. Number four, not moving your body enough. Movement supports blood flow, your lymphatic system, your mood, and your overall health. This does not mean punishing workouts. Walking, stretching, and gentle exercise can make a difference. Number five, only focusing on removing fibroids. Many women focus only on the fibroid, but we need to ask, why did my body create the environment for this to happen? Supporting hormones, inflammation, gut health, and lifestyle matters too. If you have fibroids, please remember this. Your body is not working against you. It is asking for support. If this helped you, subscribe for more fibroid and hormone health tips. Share this with another woman who needs hope today and comment below. What symptom are you struggling with the most right now? I would love to support you on your journey.